everyone, so this next core shuffle dance move is called the heel toe. It looks like this. So that's just the foundation basics of it. You really want to get this motion down because, like I said, it's a core move. You'll see it used so many times in other shuffle dance moves. So it's not to be mixed with the house dance heel toe, which I teach in my EDM dance programs, which looks like this. And of course, depending on your flavor of shuffle dance, you can totally throw that house dance move into shuffle dance. It's bouncy, it's light, it totally fits in. That being said, that heel toe for shuffle dance, it also has the same name because that's what it's known as, and it really is a heel toe motion. So there's a lot of things that we can build on that. So you can have a heel toe walk, and I think if you see some of my travel dance videos, you'll see that I like doing the heel toe walk with locking. You also see it being used in the T-step and all its variations, as well as happy feet. And if you really get this motion down, it can be used in non-shuffle dance moves such as gliding. And of course, you can mix it in with other shuffle dance moves such as the Running Man. Or many other dance moves. But everything starts by getting the basics, getting the heel toe motion down and automatic so you're free to combine and do other dance moves. Okay, so for this lesson, we're just gonna get the basics down. So our goal is just to get this motion down and maybe a little pattern or walking. We're going to start by doing just 1 foot at a time because I don't know exactly what your level is, but if you got it, then you can just feel free to skip ahead. Okay, so for the first motion, just going to do 1 foot at a time. You're going to go out with your heel, heel, toe, heel, just like that. So you just have to copy me. And the count is going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Just like that. So we're going to do 1 this way, and then we're going to do it to the other side. Same thing. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So we're going toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Got it? Okay, now let's just do a little pattern to practice with me on my count. We're going to go 1 out to that side, this side, 1 out to this side, and we're just going to repeat it a few times. So on my count, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Awesome. So if you don't feel like you have that, just go back a bit, practice a few more times. Okay, next we're going to try combining them, but the first combination that's easiest is to do them parallel, so kind of like windshield wipers, like that. So we're going to try going like this and then like this. So to this side and then back. So slowly it'll be 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So you can see I'm pivoting, switching between my weight between heel and toe. So let's try with me a few times. On my count, we're going to start by going this way. Start twisting on our heels and toes going out. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 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 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Good. For balance, let's try it starting going to this side now, okay? So we're going to start by pivoting this way, just like this. Okay, on my count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 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 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Great. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe if you haven't. For more combos, practices, variations, and full programs, visit pickupdance.com.